Discover the secrets to unlocking over $1,000 per month through 6 passive income streams. First, explore dividend investing by purchasing shares in high-yield dividend-paying companies for consistent returns. Dividend investing is a strategy that involves purchasing shares in high-yield dividend-paying companies, with the goal of generating consistent returns. Dividends are payments made by a company to its shareholders, usually on a quarterly basis, as a portion of its profits. By investing in companies that offer attractive dividend yields, investors can receive a regular income stream in the form of these dividend payments. Next, consider creating and selling a digital product, like an ebook or online course, to earn royalties with minimal ongoing effort. Remember, while creating a digital product can generate passive income, it requires upfront effort and ongoing maintenance. Regularly update your content, stay informed about industry trends, and adapt your marketing strategies to remain competitive in the market. By renting out your property or unused space on platforms like Airbnb, you can generate substantial income with little effort. Remember, while renting out your property on platforms like Airbnb or Booking can be lucrative, it's essential to be a responsible host. Be responsive to guest needs, maintain open communication, and prioritize their safety and comfort. Providing a positive guest experience can lead to repeat bookings and positive reviews, which will contribute to your success as a host. It's also important to consider any legal and insurance implications, such as obtaining appropriate insurance coverage for your property and adhering to local regulations. Consulting with a legal or tax professional can provide you with specific guidance based on your location and circumstances. Peer-to-peer lending is another great option, allowing you to earn interest on loans to individuals or small businesses. As with any investment, it's essential to thoroughly research and understand the risks involved in peer-to-peer lending. Consider consulting with a financial advisor or conducting additional research to ensure it aligns with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and overall investment portfolio. Don't overlook the power of affiliate marketing, where you can earn commissions by promoting other businesses' products or services. Remember that success in affiliate marketing takes time and effort. It's important to focus on quality content, audience trust, and providing genuine value. Choose products that align with your audience's needs, and be selective in your promotions to maintain credibility. Additionally, be aware of any legal requirements and regulations related to affiliate marketing, such as disclosing your affiliate relationship and complying with advertising guidelines. Consider staying informed through industry blogs, forums, and resources, as well as networking with other affiliate marketers to learn from their experiences and exchange insights. Finally, consider building a mobile app or website with ad revenue, generating earnings as users interact with your content. Building a successful app or website with ad revenue takes time and effort. It requires attracting a significant user base and delivering valuable content to maintain engagement. Additionally, be prepared for the ongoing management, maintenance, and potential marketing efforts required to drive traffic and increase ad revenue. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your passive income grow beyond $1,000 per month.